A friend asked me about this, so I tested it and here's what worked. If you're looking to check your bill details on the Giffgaff app, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Giffgaff app. Launch the Giffgaff app on your smartphone. Make sure you have the latest version for the best experience. Step 2. Log into your account. Enter your Giffgaff login credentials. If you've forgotten your password, there is a reset option available on the login screen. Step 3. Navigate to My Account. Once logged in, tap on the My Account section located in the bottom menu. This is where you can access all your account details. Step 4. Select Billing. In the My Account section, find and select the Billing option. This will take you to a detailed view of your bill information. Step 5. Review your bill details. Here, you can see your current balance, previous bills, and any additional charges. If you notice any discrepancies, you can contact support directly from this page. Remember, if you don't see the billing section, make sure your app is updated and you're logged into the correct account. Happy checking!